everybody, welcome to my video today. You guys can see that I have a ton of stuff out here on my desk, and I'm really excited to be doing a collaboration video with Chris. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel and her website and her Facebook page all down below, but we are so excited to bring you this project, and let me show you what we're gonna do. So Chris and I, we go get our nails done like once a month, and we go to dinner, and we usually go to Target, and we hang out and catch up. And this last time we went and got our nails done, which, can I just say, like, my nails are so bright. Like, I never do this bright of a color, but it's a little different, right? So anyways, we were having a lot of fun that night. We got our nails done, we went to dinner, and then we went to Target. And when we were leaving Target, we didn't, she did. Let's just make it clear. She saw these cups, and there were 6 of them, and they're these reusable plastic, so they're a good sturdy plastic, and they're reusable, and there's these such cute designs, and I'm going to show you all of the designs after I show you what I've done. So she grabbed a package and she said, oh my gosh, these would be so cute to do for Easter as a little gift, you know, pair it with a gift card and put some candy in it, and it would be great. And I thought that would be perfect for teacher gifts and staff gifts for the school for Easter. So I said, let's get them, and then you do something with yours and I'll do something with mine, and we can share. So that's what we're doing today. And I have 6 of these, which is exactly enough for me. I have 3 for the teachers, for the kids' teachers, 2 for the ladies in the office, and then I have 1 for the principal. So it'll be perfect. So the only thing is that I can't find the Easter gift cards that she found at Target that night. I wasn't sure I was going to do the gift card thing, and then I decided I would. And then up where we live, I have not been able to find those Easter gift cards. So when you go to her channel and you see her project, which is phenomenal, you guys, I did not even come close to the amazing project that she did. But when you see hers, you're going to see the gift card that I want to pair with it. So I'll just do this cup full of Easter candy, and then I'll just pair it with like a $5 gift card, and it'll be perfect. So let's get started. I want to show you what I'm going to do. So I have this stamp set here, this one right here, and we have this guy right here. And you guys know I don't love coloring, so I wanted to do something where I wouldn't have to color a bunch of this stuff. So what I did is I got into my stash, and I had these craft colored, I was going to call it a ticket, but it's a tag. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little guy, and then I'm going to use a little bit of Versamark. And this is just a sticky ink, a clear sticky ink. And I'm going to do some white embossing powder. And I just have this, it's called a snappy tray. I'll list it on my website if you're interested. I love this guy. You can get it on Amazon for really inexpensive. So I'm just gonna put some white embossing powder, and then I didn't use my embossing buddy, which I should have done. So I'm just gonna come in here and clean up any of that. And then what we're gonna do, and you can see I didn't quite center him, and there's a reason for that. I did it off to the side a little bit. So now I'm just gonna take my heat tool, and I'm going to heat set this. So I first let my heat tool heat all the way up, and then I just put the heat over the white embossing powder, and it melted the white embossing powder. And then the other thing I did is I heated behind the tag as well, because there is a little bit of warping, so that helped it. So now that I have this tag, my project is going to be super simple, you guys. You guys know that I like to just keep it simple and not do anything crazy. So I just took my white stitched circles, and I went ahead and I stamped Easter greetings. And I did that in Highland Heather. So I just wanted this to be like very springy, and so I used the pastel colors. So what I'm going to do now is just add some dimensionals, and then I'm going to overlap. Oh, I got to do the coloring first. Sorry, guys. So what I did is I took my lovely lipstick my Dark Lovely Lipstick Blend Marker. And a couple of you guys have emailed me wanting labels, wanting my label for like a PDF for this, and I'll get it out to you guys. I just haven't had a chance to do that this week. So what I did is I just took my Dark Lovely Lipstick blend, and I'm doing this right over the craft. Okay, if you get a little bit on the embossing, it's totally fine. Then you're just going to take your Easter greetings and you're going to layer that. And then I wanted another little pop of springy type colors, so I'm going to grab one of my glitter enamel dots. And I'm just going to put that right on the circle there, just like that. And then I'm going to take the cup and we're going to add just a little bit of ribbon. So I just pulled out some of this Blushing Bride pink ribbon. And this may be retired. It might have been in the catalog last year. But you guys know I keep all my ribbon, especially if it's a current color. I don't get rid of it just because it retired. So now what I'm going to do is, this part is super simple, you guys. And again, I kept my project really, really simple. I didn't go too crazy. So what I'm going to do is just wrap this around. So I'm just wrapping it. I just made sure the ribbon's laying flat. And I'm going to overlap the tag. So here's my bow. You can just play with it a little bit, make it how you want. And then I'm going to trim off the extra. And then what I like to do is just take a lighter, some heat, and I melt the ends of my ribbon so it doesn't fray. So there's that. And then what I'll do is I'll fill this with candy, and then I'll put the top on, and then I will do something with the gift card. Like, I'll probably make an Easter card. You'll probably see the card next week maybe on my website. I'll do a video showing the Easter cards that I made. And then this is what it looks like when it's all done. A simple tag, a little bit of ribbon, and then the candy is inside. And then I'll pair that together with that gift card. And these are great cups. So I don't know if your local Starbucks or would have them still, but they're really great. I mean, they are really sturdy. Here's the green one. There were two of this design, and this will be for the ladies in the office. This one will be for Andrew's teacher, Mr. P. I thought the green one would be good for him. And then Kayla and Violet's teacher will get the blue and pink one. And then the principal will get the yellow one. And we have a guy for a principal. So I thought that these two colors would be good for Andrew's teacher and the principal. I didn't want to give them like pink and purple. I didn't know if they would like really use those or not. So that's what I did. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this project, you guys. Next week, you'll see the card that I make to pair with these for Easter. And I've got to get with it and get them done because Easter is just right around the corner. So I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.